Michael, Autumn. Hey, y'all cooking? Cooking? You helping cook? You talk to Grandma and Pop? You talk to Grandma and Pop tonight? You talk to Grandma and Pop tonight? You talk to Grandma and Pop tonight? Hey, did you talk to Grandma and Pop tonight? Hello? Yes? Did you talk to Grandma and Pop tonight? Yes? Hello? Yes? Don't do that. You can't lick the spoon and put it back in the thing. Now you gotta use that one. Can't do that.
Give me another one.
You gotta wait till that balls before you stir it, Michael. It has to ball. You have to wait till it balls before you stir it. Now put this down.
Don't lick it. Wait.
I know you can't lick it because you're gonna get nasty in somebody's food. You don't want the germs in your food. Hey, did you talk to Grandma and Pop today? They miss you. They want to see you. They love you. No, not on other stuff because there's germs everywhere, Michael. Come on now.
When it bubbles and when it starts getting white.
I love you.
I wiped it off.
Okay, here. Let me see that because you don't wipe it off.
The magic penny! Give me the magic penny so I can win.
All right, Michael. You're mad. Don't put it in your...
Imagination.
Oh, okay.
Imagination. Win it. Win.
Okay.
When it got the clean on it, you win.
Okay.
You win this competition.
People can lose sometimes, though. That's not a bad thing. You just learn how to win if you lose.
It's bubbling yet?
No. You can't put the packet in yet.
I know.
Okay.
I'm on mine. You will do it.
You all got our spoons. Stir away.
A little bit. I see it bubbling.
It's not bubbling enough. I need to probably put more water in it, don't I? It doesn't look like...
No, water makes...
Get that away from your mouth.
It's not wet.
You have germs on your mouth. You can get people sticky. Now get that out of your mouth.
It's not wet.
I'll freaking fight you. I'll fight you. Ow! You got my hand, Michael. Watch it. Well, Fletcher.
Got it. You're not gonna bite.
Alright, I'm done. Done. Bye-bye. Okay, you won, whatever.
I'm dead. See?
I'm not dead. Don't use that word. That's not a nice word to say. Please.
No, I'm pretending.
Say pass away. That's a better word to say.
I'm pretending.
I know, but say pass away. That's a better word than dead.
I did do. Michael, is the bubbling yet?
Stir it a little bit, you guys.
Oh, yeah, it's bubbling.
Alright, we need to put the sauce in, you guys.
Not yet, Mommy. Not yet.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's not yet.
You can, Autumn. Stir the noodles. Stir the noodles. Stir the noodles. Noodles. Stir the noodles. Ooh. Come here. Kissy. Kiss the... Ow! It got me to... watch what you're doing. You're burning
That's
people.
Not me. You bumped into me. That's why I should do it.
Okay, enough stirring, y'all. That's it. Wipe off your... Go like this. Okay, there you go. Good job. Shake a packet so it's all the way down. You want me to kiss the boo-boo? Want me to kiss boo-boo? No, kiss the boo-boo. Is that better a little bit?
When it comes on, people, it's good.
Mommy's taking her packet. Mine's just all the way down on the bottom.
This.
In a second, hold on. We're going to finish the noodles. Alright, Mommy's going to do this. Oh, my chin. Alright, hold on.
notion that somehow, because I'm a man,
I want it.
Don't play it flat like that. You shouldn't feel on now, dude.
No, turn it off.
No, don't turn it off.
It's bubbling. It's bubbling. Look, Mommy, it's bubbling.
Alright, hold on.
Alive.
Here. Oh.
Can't pour it yet. You have to now. It's time to pour it.
Woo! Pour. We're pouring our shit in. I mean, stuff it in. Mommy's bad. Mommy's wrong. Don't say that. Mommy shouldn't have said that. Woo!
I know.
Yeah, the
I
steam's
got
hot.
hurt on my leg.
Yeah, the steam's hot, buddy.
Yeah, I know. It burned really bad. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm gonna start
here.
while I do mine.
Stir it. While she does hers.
Okay, let me open it. Where's mine?
Right there. Does it really matter? Shoot. Panicking.
Panicking. Mannequin.
Panicking. I said.
Oh. Woo! The fire's getting hot. Where we
Put it down in there and do it, Michael. Come on. Okay, hold on. I got the phone. Say later, Gators. We're done cooking.